What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jesse, and today we are going to look at my first 5-pack of Hot Wheels ever. I am so stoked. I was at Walmart today, had to pick up a few things, and I happened to find this. Now, I was looking for the Lamborghini 5-pack. I've been looking for the Lamborghini 5-pack. I cannot find one for the life of me. I may have to just break down and spend that eBay money and fork out 15 bucks for a $5 or $6 pack of cards, but I just may have to do it. It's such a bummer that it comes to that, but it is what it is. Let's take a look at this 5-pack that I did find. This is a pretty decent runner-up to me. No Lamborghinis, but I do have a McLaren F1, got a Porsche, got a Jaguar, and we got a Cadillac, and we got an Aston Martin, I believe. This one's pretty cool too. I can't complain. It's pretty dope. So let's go ahead and rip this guy open and take a look and see what's inside. Alright, here we go. Got the open package off to the side here. And we'll go from top to bottom. First one up, we got a beautiful Cadillac El Mirage. Nice bluish purple color, tan interior, plastic base, and every car in this pack has headlight detail. Can't go wrong with headlight detail. Always stokes me out. Here we go. Let's move that a little bit right there and right there. There we go. Got some nice wheels. Like this casting quite a bit. My other brother used to have a Cadillac, but they are notoriously unreliable and it broke down on him. So now he is mobbing the hoopty. Next one up, got a metallic green. This one is the Jaguar F-Type Project 7. Green interior with an ugly stump for a steering wheel. Thanks, Hot Wheels, appreciate that. We do have some headlights on there. Cool green paint. Like the way that looks quite a bit. Got a dot on the door, on each door. And a cool little spoiler, or wing. Pretty decent looking. That one's pretty cool. I like that one also. Let's put that one right there next to my caddy. And next up, we got this pretty blue Porsche. We got some white wheels on the side. To be specific, this is the Porsche 911 GT3 R3. Got some headlight detail. Got a carbon lip, or some kind of lip. I'm not sure if it's carbon, but it's got a little scraper there to scrape the streets with. Some cool graphics. Another stump steering wheel. Yeah, this is a pretty cool car. My first Porsche, as a matter of fact. Or Porsche, depending on how you pronounce it. Oh, and it's got side view mirrors. Did the other ones? No, they did not. But anyway, there's the Porsche right there. And let's skip one and head down to this one. I'm going to save my favorite for last. Now we got the Aston Martin Vantage. Nice yellow colorway here. Some chromey wheels. Tinted blacked out windows. Got a racing stripe. 2 of them rather. The Aston Martin logo. Nice headlights. Black plastic base. I actually like this one much better than I thought I would. That's a pretty cool looking car. Like that one. Very nice. Alright. Oh, I should mention also, I did win an eBay auction today. I was actually the only bidder. It was a very cool car from the late 80s, early 90s. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to double check. But more detail into that once it gets here. And last but not least, my very favorite car in this pack, and the reason I bought it, we got this beautiful orange McLaren F1. Awesome, awesome car. Got the black plastic base with this texture on it, pretty dope. Wheels are nice, gunmetal. Such a cool car. Look at those headlights and the graphics. Very awesome. Wow. I gotta be honest, until my Lambos get here, this is my favorite car in my Hot Wheels collection. Awesome. Check that out. Beautiful casting. I'm so stoked. I love this hobby so much. I have such a blast going hunting for these guys. And I gotta be honest, even though I kind of live in a small podunk city, to be honest with you, people here seem to know about Hot Wheels because every time I go places, I mean, they're picked over pretty well. I'm not seeing a lot of good stuff when I go out, and over the past week, I've gone everywhere I could possibly think to go. Targets, Walgreens, Walmarts, you know? I've heard fables that Ace Hardware sells Hot Wheels. I'll have to check them out next. Maybe I'll just call them. But yeah, people around here seem to be into Hot Wheels, you know? And I really hate going to Walmarts around here, you know? Like, so many, like, people like, just not being careful, getting too close to you, taking their masks off when they're in the store. Just drives me crazy, if I'm being honest with you. But anyway, let's do a quick little recap. We got beautiful Cadillac casting right here in this midnight navy blue. Gorgeous car. Chromey wheels. Next one, we got, I already forgot what it was called, the F-Type Jaguar. A lot of Americans would just call it Jaguar. Sounds funny to me, it's Jaguar. But beautiful, beautiful car. Like that one quite a bit, even though I'm not a convertible fan. And next up, we got the Porsche GT3. Gorgeous, gorgeous casting. Beautiful. Awesome. And then we got the Aston Martin Vantage V8. Very cool also. And then of course, the best one, this amazing McLaren. I want to thank each and every one of you that watched this video. I hope you subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you again, and we'll see you tomorrow.